So I made this video. I just want to clarify an issue here. Okay, you can see here I made a video last time concerning my guava tea and the wonders it does, and so many people were like it doesn't work. Please, I want you to please go back and check the particular leaf you are using. If you are not using the native guava leaf, please, you're not gonna get the same result. Even if you may get the result though, but it may take longer than necessary. All right, the one on your screen, the one you're seeing right there, this one is not the native guava leaf. This is not what I used. I saw this, but I know the right one to use, so I made the right choice by choosing native leaf, no guava leaf, sorry. Okay, so I plucked this one for you, for me to clarify the issue. Help me and check the one you used if it's actually this particular leaf. If it's this one, please, I have to wait for more time because it's gonna work, but it's gonna take time. Now look at the main native guava leaf. Are you seeing your screen there? Good. You can see it. It's well defined. There is no two ways about it. Okay, the native guava leaf is long, and the stem is always darker than the other one. So know the difference. If you are using the other type, yeah, you may get the same result, but it's not going to be very fast. You can see there, I just measured it for you to see it. You can see it. They are just two different leaves. They are called guava, but not the same thing. There are so many differences between the two. Okay, so please go home or get that your guava leaf and then check if actually you have the right guava leaf. If you don't have the right one, please, I will urge you guys to please help us by getting the right one. I believe by the time you take the right one like 2-3 times, you will see that changes that I told you guys about in my previous video. So please help us by doing that. I believe this is helpful to you. You can, at least you've known the difference between native guava leaf and the other one. Okay, please help us and share it to your friends. I believe they will need this and they will get something out of it. So know the difference and then make sure you get yourself the main one, the original, you know now. All right, darling friends, thanks so much for being with us till this point. This point now, I just want to be showing you so you don't make, you can just get a screenshot of it so you don't make mistake by choosing the guava leaf. Just look at this and look at the other one. You can see it yourself. The difference is so clear. So what I use is a native guava leaf, and that's what I've been using. So the difference is very, very clear. It's so clear that no, even someone that is blind will tell you that they are not the same thing. So thank you very much. At least today you've gotten something that we have different kinds of guava leaves and their works. I didn't say this one doesn't work. I mean the other one that is not native guava leaf. It does, but it takes more time. All right. So share to friends. Thank you for sharing with. Now, oh yes, we have another interesting topic they're gonna discuss here, and that it will be in my next video. But I want to do a little introduction about this topic, and that is moringa leaf. Do you have moringa in your house? Do you have it in your garden, or do you have it maybe in your bush or your farm, wherever you know you can get hold of moringa leaf? Please, I will urge you all, my viewers, please help me and get moringa leaf. Don't forfeit, because we're gonna perform so many things with it. I'm gonna explore you guys on how to use it, how to chew it. You can chew it raw. Yes, you can. You can use it as you can add it as one of your vegetables. You can also use it as tea, just the way I did guava leaf tea. Okay, you can also do the same thing here, and this one has so many things, has so many wonders. I mean, so many of them. All right, so we'll show you how you can prepare it to get it in your powdered form too. So just click on the subscribe button so you don't miss it out. So I'm coming right away my next video to explore you guys. Thanks for watching.